Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Wizard Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I will do the disassembly of Citizen 8200 movement. It has 21 number of jewels with unidirectional rotor. We have to press over here to remove its crown stem. I am using two screwdrivers to remove the day guard. This wheel is for day driving purpose. Now I will remove this guard which is for date calendar. It will have 4 screws. Now I will remove the hour wheel, and this wheel is called intermediate wheel, which is for the date driving wheel. This is date jumper and this is date disc. This part is called date corrector and this is date corrector spring. Now I will remove this guard, which is for minute wheel and setting wheel. So this wheel is called minute wheel and this is setting wheel. Here we can see the clutch wheel is covered in rust. Now I will remove the date driving wheel. and this is cannon pinion. Now I will flip the movement and start the disassembly of this side. First I will remove the rotor, then I will unwind this movement like this, and now I will take out the balance jewel. And this thing is called spiral spring with jewel. Here is the complete balance with its bridge. Now I can remove the pallet fork. This is the pallet fork bridge, and this is pallet fork. And now I can remove the train bridge, which will have 3 screws. Here is the reduction wheel, and this is ball winding wheel. This is fourth wheel, third wheel, escape wheel, sweep second pinion. This is ratchet wheel, barrel complete, intermediate wheel with washer, and this is crown wheel. The clutch wheel seems to be in bad condition, but let's see how it turns out after washing the movement. Now I will take apart the keyless work. First I will take out the yoke, and this is the setting lever spring. This is setting lever spring, and this one is yoke. Here is the clutch wheel. Last but not least, this is balance lower jewel, and underneath there will be spiral spring with jewel.